Today we're talking about the Twirla Birth Control Patch, a weekly hormonal patch that's supposed to make your contraception easier and more consistent. If you're tired of remembering pills, this might sound like a dream solution, but does it really work as well as it claims? The patch works by releasing low doses of estrogen and progestin through the skin, preventing ovulation and thickening cervical mucus to block sperm. You wear it on your lower abdomen, buttocks, or upper torso and replace it once a week. It's meant to be a set it and forget it type of contraception, which sounds appealing. From what I've gathered through user reviews and healthcare feedback, Twirla performs similarly to other hormonal options when used correctly. Women report predictable cycles, easier routines, and even clearer skin for some. However, skin irritation where the patch sticks is very common, especially in warmer climates or sweating. It's not flawless. Its effectiveness can drop slightly for women with higher BMIs, and the patch can peel off during heavy exercise or swimming. Still, the convenience factor is unbeatable. Overall, Twirla truly works for many, but like all hormonal options, it's not one size fits all. Consult your doctor, but don't dismiss the patch. It's more than just the hype. However, before you take this, make sure that you read all of these important risk and information and indication right in their website, because it tells you everything that you have to know, especially with the contraindications that you have to be aware about. And that's it. That is my review of the Twirla Birth Control Patch.